I like dogs. Sorry to be a stranger.
Atticus, he's a biter.
Oh, is he really?
Rescue dog from Boise. Don't. Yeah.
Well, I'm
This dog's okay. This guy, he's a rescue dog from Boise, and he's got an attitude.
Well, I'm usually pretty good. I do the calm thing and just let him bark
and don't pet him. Don't give him eye contact. I seen you out here. Who are you and what you doing?
Sorry if I spooked you. I do a few. You know, like Al.
Yeah.
I'm his bug guy.
His bug guy.
Pest control. I was hoping that I could.
Al's weird anyway. Anyway, go ahead. I'm a farmer, so
Well, I'd love to give you a quote and have you think about hiring me. I get rid of spiders, ants, earwigs, wasps. I just signed up John and Deb. They had some mice. But I was trying to fill a few, sorry for the sales pitch, but I was trying to fill a few spots for the route this week. I'd give you a little discount.
I'm a farmer. I got more chemicals than you.
You're probably right.
I got shit that'll kill this whole fucking world out back.
Well, keep me in mind. I'm Dan.
Give me a card.
I'm a small guy.
If I get old enough and I can't do it no more.
Honestly, all the good products you can buy on Amazon these days.
Yeah. You guys can't buy shit. D&B, that shit's all.
But what I was trying to say is, I've got my. Hiring me is like hiring somebody to mow the grass. It's not hard to do, but it's a lazy service. I am a full level 5 service, so if you ever hired me, I don't just do the quick foundation spray, but I do all of the eaves. I clean every last cobweb off the house, and then I power spray the eaves. Not that you have a lot of webs, but I guarantee you.
Oh yeah, shit. Every day I wash these things off. They're horrible.
If you were to hire me, I would thoroughly clean, but then more importantly, spray all the eaves, and I promise a web-free home. If not, I come out and treat for free. I've been doing pest control for 17 years. I started my business 6 years ago over in Boise, but I've got a technician here. That's why I'm knocking doors. I'm trying to get him a full route. And it's a lazy service.
That's kind of weird because we got, like I said, I've got a backpack sprayer I carry with me all the time. And when I come home, you know, I'll spray around here. But
it's a lazy service.
Yeah, the bees are real important to me. And I mean, I have a big garden out here.
I don't kill the bees, but I do kill the wasps.
Yeah.
So were you talking about?
And the wasps are okay, as long as they don't get too aggressive. If they do, then I'll knock them down. But most of the time, they're pollinators too, so I let them go.
Okay. I mean, my goal is just to keep them out of the house.
We don't have a bunch of those weird wasps and hornets and bullshit. They're here, but they're not like killer bees that are going to chase you down.
Sure.
Buster.
I like
You know how killer bees are. I mean, they look just like a honeybee, but they're real aggressive. I mean, you go jump in the pool underwater, they're going to stay there till you come up so they can bite you.
That's crazy. Well, I've been stung a million times this year.
Yeah, and I mean, so pollinators are important to me, and I do use them. And when I do spray around here, most of the time I spray, what's that shit the guy was eating down there in
I mean,
LA?
There's Tempo. I mean, Tempo's a pretty
No,
common.
I use Tempo. I got Tempo. I don't like Tempo. It takes too long. So like for my own house around here at the shop, we got a feedlot across from the farm out here.
Okay.
And so the flies at the shop are horrible. And I use Tempo, but it just takes too long to knock them down. So I use, what the hell is this old
Bifenthrin or malathion?
Malathion.
Yeah, okay.
And then I wait till like this time of night. I wait till the bees go in.
All right.
And like if you look at all these trees, they've all been, something's eating on them. All these trees, all the leaves.
Okay.
They're sitting eating on them, but it's too late in the year to deal with them now.
Well, I don't keep trees alive, but I do kill elm beetles if you get them.
No, that's what this is. It's a pith elm.
But if you're open to it, I'm the lazy service. You hire me entirely for the lazy factor, but I do a darn good job. If you wanted to try me out a few times, I just signed up John and Deb. We're doing them Wednesday. Yeah. I'd give you a big discount to do it at the same time.
Okay, I'll think about that. Like I said, I do my own shit, but I'm getting old now.
Well,
I'm getting tired.
I quoted them $200 every 3 months. But do you have a shop or anything?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a hanger back here in this airstrip.
Hanger and the airstrip?
Yeah, I fly. I haven't flown.
Oh my gosh, there's an airport. That's crazy.
That's me.
If it means earning your business, I'll do the same $200 I did for them a quarter, but include the outbuildings just to try and give you a deal. I know you can do it yourself 10 times cheaper, but $200 4 times a year, and I'll promise no spiders, ants, earwigs, wasps, mice, and box elder bugs in and around your home and your 2 buildings. And we'll stock bait boxes so that you don't have to worry about mice coming in. And
the fucking mice, I got them bad right now for some reason. They're coming in underneath, somewhere underneath this house. They're getting in here.
Okay.
I don't know where they're getting. Of course, walking out, leaving the door open don't help.
Well, I use a commercial bait that's like extra smelly. It's safe in case the dog eats.
Oh, Buster.
It's safe. I love dogs. It's safe in case the dog eats the mouse that eats a poison. But it's a really cool bait. It's called Arctic, and it dries the mice out so it doesn't die. If they die in your walls, it doesn't stink, and it's extra smelly. And not to work an angle, but fall and winter time is when I get all my spider calls.
Yeah.
Or sorry, is when I get all my mice calls, because when they plow the fields, we get a lot of mice.
And I don't deal with stuff until I have a problem.
Sure,
And
sure.
then that's when I deal with it, and it's too late. You know, I mean, I've got them in the house, and right now, I'm dealing with them in the house. And
Well, let's say you're used to seeing or catching 10 mice a year on the inside, my bait boxes will bring that down to 1. Or if you're seeing 20, they'll bring it down to 1 or 2. I mean, you know.
that's a good deal, though. I mean, shit, what you got going is perfect for me.
Well,
Because, like I said, I'm going to quit this now. I'm not going to have access to these chemicals I get all the time now.
Well, not that it matters. If you look me up on Google, I've got 800 5-star reviews. Knock on wood, I haven't had a bad review in 6 years. Mostly, I just wanted an excuse to show you my Bigfoot suit, because someday I'm going to be famous. Did you see my Bigfoot truck earlier?
Yeah, I saw that, and I thought they were. I kept looking at that when I come by you this morning. I go, God, that guy, he's probably no, he's what the hell measuring that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Because I think that old lady here, pretty quick, she's gonna sell that place off her house.
Gotcha.
And that's what I thought you were probably still going for.
I do the Hamiltons, if you know them.
Yeah.
Yvonne or Van
Yeah.
or Van.
Yeah.
Are you kind of interested? Well, you can take all the time you need to think about it. Are you a little bit interested?
Oh yeah, I think what you're talking about is a good deal. Like I said, I want to retire, and we're about done, but I'm not going to have access to the chemicals I got, and the shit D&D sells is junk.
I was hoping I could come Saturday. If you're okay with me maybe doing Saturday?
No, Saturday I got races.
Okay.
I got a sprint car out here and another car, and we do races on Saturday. So.
But if you're okay with it, I'll find a time that works sometime the next couple of weeks.
No, I got your card. I'll call you if probably not this fall, because I'm probably full this fall.
Okay.
But the next year or two to come is going
Okay.
to be different for me. I used to, I have cows. I used to run cows, but the cows got so expensive to buy that I couldn't make the money on them. So I don't have any cows now. This place is all overgrown
And
with weeds.
you get what, 5 or 6 mice a year on the inside, you would say?
Oh, 10.
Okay, 10. And then some, and we'll do the shop for you too, or the hanger.
Yeah. I got a lot of black widows out there.
Okay. Well,
They get on that front door there where the heat hits the worst.
Uh-huh.
And they put their nests, they put their nests there and their spider webs, and they kick ass. And they don't bother me too bad, but they freak me out.
And I would say most people hire me, not really for the lazy factor, but more of just it's hard to get out and remember to do it, you know what I mean? And then next thing you know, the bugs build up. I'll let you go, but I'll be a little bit of a sales.
Yeah, hang around. I mean,
Yeah. Well, I'll let you go, but I will be I'll be a little bit of a salesman on you. Well, if you'll humor, here's my best offer. Okay, if you'll humor my salesmanship, here's my offer. Try me out for the year. See how you like me. You know what I mean? See if it's worth it to you. I'd ask you to try me out 4 times for the $200. I'll treat for free if you see bugs or mice. You definitely can call me later, and I'll honor that price. But I was being a salesman tonight, trying to get a deal before I went home. If I could earn your business for this fall, I'd do the first one for $99, just to be a salesman. See if I can get.
Be around.
Until I get one more. I've got 9 deals on the day, and my goal's 10. So I'm gonna go till I get another deal. If you're okay with it, I would tentatively, if you need to double check with your wife, I could just tentatively schedule it for like next week.
Okay.
$200 a quarter, but if you'll at least let me put you down maybe for Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll do the first one for $99.
Okay.
And if she puts the brakes on it, just call me.
Okay.
Thanks for humoring my salesmanship. What's your first name?
Tim.
Show you the calendar so you know I'm going to be here. I'm not the cable guy. If you decide to keep me next year, I won't raise the rate on you. I'll keep you at the $199 every 3 months, or $200. I round down to $199. I put the mice on there, of course. Do you have a small gopher problem? I'd be happy to include a small problem free.
I don't have gophers here for some reason.
Okay.
I got them lousy at the farm, but not
We'll do the first
voles
one.
and shit. I don't have.
We'll do the first one in September for $99. I'd do the next one a little bit sooner at the end of November, if that's okay. Then we just come every quarter, every 90 days. But if you see bugs, or if your wife sees a bug, have her call.
Oh, there's bugs here. Fuck, that's living out in the country.
Well,
Part of it.
if you see them, call me and I'll treat for free. Okay. Well, I want you to like me. My goal is you keep me 50 years. You are my retirement plan, you know.
Yeah, and that's not good. I'm 70, man. That's not gonna.
Sorry for the bad dad jokes. Like I said, I do a year contract to begin with, though I hope you keep me after that. There's no tax, and I do want you to understand it's not a termite treatment.
Okay.
I don't think there's...
Yeah, put me on there. You go ahead and do it.
And if
that's
she-
something I ain't gonna have to worry about. Let's just go ahead and do it.
I appreciate it. It's kind of weird you have to use the keyboard to type your initials at the bottom. I know it's weird. Just
Okay, let me get her to do all this
Oh.
shit. I'll go get you a check or whatever. What do you pick?
debit or credit if that's okay.
Come
Yeah.
on in.
Thanks to you. Thank
Don't
you.
pet the dog.
I won't.
Like you said, he's
It's rescue.
yeah, he really likes her.
Is
Ash,
Stranger.
Give him some information. Give him some information.
Are you,
Okay.
I'm tired of dealing with the mice and shit, so that's what he does.
Oh,
That pickup we saw this morning, and that scooter, that's him.
okay.
He's
nice
not
to
a
meet you.
survey guy, he's a bug guy.
well,
So.
I do like 10 of your neighbors. I do the Hofers. You said you know them. I do Tom and Deb or Tom,
yeah,
Tom
I
and
know.
Joy.
Yeah, Joy, I work with her at the visitor center.
Oh, cool.
I love her.
He actually already gave me all the info. All I need is
Oh, okay.
all I need is initials. It's kind of weird. You have to type your first and last initials at the bottom. One more time on the TH. And here's the real fun part. You get to sign it with your finger. It's gonna be ugly. It always is, and that'll get emailed to you.
Sweet.
And I think he's grabbing me a debit card.